channel. I don't know if y'all can hear me because I'm doing my nails, but yo, it's a lot. I'm in the process of moving, but y'all already know I gotta look good while doing it. So today's video, I'm doing my nails. I'm gonna have this video as a I'm gonna say a self-care maintenance vlog. I'm doing my nails right now. They're a little dusty. If y'all want to see the process of me doing my nails, I am recording it on my other channel, which is Clothes by Amaja. I'm going to put it right here. So y'all can go subscribe and support me on my other channel. But I'm going to come back and show y'all the finished results. And when I go to my hair appointment, I'm going to bring y'all with me too. And y'all, as y'all can see, I got my brows done. I got them waxed. Ooh. But yeah, my eyebrows waxed. Nails getting done. I have to get my hair and my toes done next, and that's it. I really don't wear lashes because I tried lashes twice. The first time, no, I tried lashes 3 times. The first time I didn't like the way it was. It gave my eyes, it was irritating my eyes. I felt like I had an eye rash. Second time I liked them, but the lashes just was coming off real fast. Third time it was just too full and it was too heavy on my eyes, so that just killed all my chances of wanting to get my lashes done. I would want to try it again, but I feel like it will only be eventful and not just an everyday wear for me. But yeah, my maintenance is basically my hair, eyebrows, feet, nails. Simple. Alright, y'all, so this the nails after I had prepped it and getting it ready for the designs. I'm not going to do all that on this channel, but I'm going to show the design process on my other channel, like I said. And this is my right hand. Y'all see a little 3D mouth, the eyeball, and a junk nail. I wanted to keep this set nice and simple. I see simple. I did not mean to say that. I meant to say I already did this set before, and it's kind of like a replay set that I did. I had to bring it back. And y'all, I was on my way to class the next morning because I couldn't, I had to wait and get my hair done later on in this week. I got my hair done Thursday. So yeah. And I just decided to get everything done. After class, I had treated myself to a pedicure. I didn't show the finished results because I got the same thing, which was white gel tools. I get the same thing every time, or sometimes I'll get French tips, but that's only if I have all white nails or I have French tip nails. Then I'll have my tools to match my nails. Other than that, it's white. Then I had to pump gas before my appointment. Yes, my tank take $50. I'm sick. Inches holes, and this me under the dryer. I had got me a quick weave relieve out and just watch the process. I feel like I do be want to talk throughout the whole thing, but sometimes I don't. And y'all, this was hair that I previously had. I had bleach, one supposed to be brown, but it looked like a red tint. And I had a 1-pack hair of 613 hair. And I wanted her to mix it. And I wanted it to look cute. And she got the job done. And this her just combing out the curls. She forming however she wanted to lay and however she wanted to look. I really love the way my hair came out. I feel like I need to get my hair done more often. But I really don't be worried about it because between school and work and myself and me on this downtime with this surgery, I haven't really been in the mood to get all dolled up and stuff. I really wasn't worried about it. But I'm getting my groove back and I'm getting back to myself. And I feel like more videos should come that I'm getting my hair done. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe if y'all like this video. I think I said that right, but y'all, this is the finished results. Get into it. It's super cute. I love it. Love, love, love it. She ate it right on up. I love my hair so much. And these the videos that she took. Of course I wanted them. Yo, look how shy I look. Remember I was talking about that earlier in the clip. I'm just sitting there so stiff. Why I got my hair done? I got my hair done. Oh, I got my hair done. Who? Who are you? What? Oh, I don't know you, me. Yo, I love it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I found a new hairdresser. This is my second time going to her. And she do a good job every time. I gave her the hair that I wanted, which is the pack hair. And the bundles that I dyed, she did a good job. I like it. She did a really, really good job. I'm gonna give me something to eat now. Somebody gotta see me. Somebody gotta see me. I got my hair. Everybody! Everybody, I got my hair done. Somebody gotta see me. I got work to do. I'm a student. Fuck. I'm about to go get a drink. I don't know yet. I'm lying. Probably gonna give me something to eat and lay my ass down, go inside. So while somebody gotta see me like I ain't about to get hacked up or something. Crazy, huh? So y'all, I made it home and I wanted to show y'all what my stomach looked like. I'm a month and some change post-op and y'all look at the results. It looks so good. I love, love, love it. If I had to do it all over again, I would. I ain't gonna lie. I just love my results. Everything looks so natural and I'm still healing.